Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I am going to go over something that we bought about a month ago for our car that really came in handy. So if this is your first time tuning in, my name is Elisa Summers. About a month ago, I did a video over some of the accessories that we had bought for the car. One being a USB drive for the inside of the car. Well, something that I didn't know is that it is constantly recording while you are driving. Well, my husband was on his way home from work and it was the middle of the day and a deer ran out in front of the road, and we were able to capture it from the dash cam from having USB plugged into the car. So I am going to get that set up so that you can see it. So stay tuned. So I really love that we bought the USB. I think it has came in really handy. I had no idea that the car was actually always recording. You know, it's constantly recording. And so it was really easy to be able to pull off the footage and get it onto the laptop. Each segment is a minute long, but I was able to cut it down to just a few seconds so that you didn't have to watch the long drive. And so I think it's really a must-have, especially if something were to happen in a blink of an eye on the interstate or on a back road, and if somebody hits you, it would be really easy to pull it off. It's just a matter of taking a few minutes trying to find the exact spot. Big tip is if something does happen, try and remember the time that it happened at, just because it'll make it much easier when you're trying to find that kind of footage off the USB. If you haven't already, give this video a nice thumbs up. And if you have any questions, I would love to answer them for you. Please leave them down in the comments below. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me. But I don't think I have anything else for you guys. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next week. Happy holidays!